But in today's video, we're going to be talking about my 5 most profitable YouTube videos to date. Hopefully this will give you some correlation as to views per money and how much I can earn from that. All right, so we're gonna rank this from the 5th most profitable all the way to the 1st most profitable. The 5th one is which one's better, 1.0 or 2.0 Beluga Adidas Easy 350 V2. So this video is a comparing between the 1.0 and 2.0 Belugas, and the view count here is 414,031 views. And the revenue for this is gonna be $799.98 Canadian. And this is an 8-minute video. So for the 4th most profitable video, it's going to be the Do Not Shop at Sneaker Street in Hong Kong, Billy Travels Day 15. This video is a vlog video, and it's my most profitable vlog video. And it just talks about me and my experience in Bohai Gai, which is Sneaker Street in Hong Kong. And the views for that is 495,132 views. And the revenue for this 14-minute and 32-second video is $855.75 Canadian. All right, so down to the 3rd most profitable video, we got the 500 miles test with the Adidas ALPHABOUNCE is better than UltraBoost. This view count got up to 518,164 views, and this video runs about 8 minutes and 50 seconds. The reason why I'm talking about timing is because some people say that the more watch time or the longer your video is, the more profitable it becomes. Honestly, that's not true. If the video isn't engaging, people will just click out of it and your watch time will go down, and it's just not worth it. So that's why YouTube really pays people who really entertain or engage their audience a lot. So right here, this video with 8 minutes and 50 seconds, if I pull it over, the revenue is $1,088.51. All right, so now we're down to the last 2 videos. This is the 2nd most profitable video on my channel. This is, does the UltraBoost washing machine method actually work? And the view count for this is 726,492 views, and the runtime is 10 minutes and 49 seconds. The profit for this video was $1,532.17. All right, so we're now at the most profitable video on my channel ever to date. This is the Adidas NMD R2 is significantly better than the NMD R1. Here's why. And this video count got up to 773,722 views. And the revenue for this is $2,064.10. So those are the 5 most profitable videos, but what's more important is what is the common string for me between all 5 videos and how did I get there? So I think the first most common string is the thumbnails. If you look at all 5 of them, they have the sneaker in view, and most of them are me wearing it. But more importantly, all 5 of these videos is actually honest opinions about the shoes. I mean, why wouldn't I give my honest opinion? But it isn't something that's considered clickbait. It's more so that it is actually how I feel about certain situations, certain products, and how it works. So I think that honesty is the best policy, so they say. So I feel like that is definitely true in this matter, and that's how I got this type of view count to revenue. So don't step away yet, because what's more interesting is the cumulative numbers for the lifetime of my YouTube career. Okay, so when I take a look at my lifetime numbers, we're looking at 7.8 million views on my entire channel. But what's more interesting is the watch hours. It is 329,825.9 hours, which equals to 37 years. 37 years is older than me. It's pretty fascinating. I don't understand how there's all of you added together watching me, all these eyeballs for 37 years. It's pretty crazy to me. But what's more interesting is, of course, my lifetime revenue. How much have I earned ever since I started YouTube? Well, with my YouTube lifetime revenue, it is $15,496.27. And this is in Canadian dollars, as you remember from before. And this is not a lot if you think about how long I've had YouTube for, but at the same time, it's still quite significant in my opinion. And of course, I'm trying to be as humble as possible because I honestly don't deserve this kind of love. But at the same time, I really appreciate every one of you who watched my video for this long. All right, so I hope you all found these numbers as fascinating as I did. Thanks for watching my videos, for those who have supported me for so long. And thank you for those newcomers for dropping by and saying hello. If you like my content, hit the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And I hope to see that this is just the beginning of my YouTube career and hope to see it project even further into the future. Thank you so much. This has been Billyvisuals. Y'all just got visualized, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.